In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gift card to your Google Wallet, a convenient way to manage your gift cards without carrying them physically. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step to ensure you can easily add your gift cards at any time. First, you'll want to open up your Google Wallet app. It's available on any Android device, and for iOS users, check the App Store to ensure you have the latest version. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account to avoid confusion later. Now that you're in, take a moment to look around if you haven't already. You'll see a variety of features like your payment methods, rewards, and loyalty programs. But today, we're focusing on adding gift cards. With Google Wallet open, go ahead and tap on the Add to Wallet button. This is typically represented with a plus sign and should be easy to spot. Clicking on this will guide you to another screen where you see several options for adding different items to your wallet. Among these options, look for Gift Card. This is where you'll be able to store your card digitally. Now that you've navigated to the Gift Card section, take note that you'll have the ability to type in any gift card you currently have in your physical wallet, or perhaps one that's sitting in a drawer somewhere. You can manually enter the card details by typing them in. This includes the card number and often the associated company. Don't worry if you aren't sure where to find this information. It's usually prominently displayed on the card itself. If your search yields results, which it often will, you'll see your card and its credentials pop up on your Google Wallet screen. This feature allows Google Wallet to recognize and categorize your gift card, readying it for use when you need it. It's a straightforward way to digitize your gift cards and have them handy for future use. Now you've successfully added a gift card to your Google Wallet, allowing you to access it easily the next time you shop. Remember, the next time you receive a gift card or find one you haven't used yet, you can quickly add it following these same steps. Thanks for watching and learning how to manage your gift cards more effectively. Keeping your Google Wallet updated ensures that everything is available at your fingertips, making your shopping experiences seamless and organized.